Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the Mebeli store on Amazon. These are their 18-inch goddess locks. The color is 1B, and so each lock basically has deep curls in the middle of the lock and at the end of the lock. So this one actually has 3 strands of curls, 2 throughout the lock and 1 at the bottom of the lock. So this is just a close-up of what it looks like. I actually really like these curls. Look at them. I think they look nice. The hair feels soft so far, and the locks feel really tight. So we'll see how that goes when I crochet the hair. And it has 18 locks in each pack for a total of 126 locks because there's 7 packs. And the hair also comes with a crochet hook and 4 pieces of hair jewelry, but mine came really smushed. Oh, and the hair is about $40. And you can also see how wavy the locks are. So they're wavy and curly. I'm going to be doing the individual crochet method. So I've already braided my hair into individual braids and they look like this. I've actually braided my hair 2 days ago. So these are a little old now. But I'm going to be crocheting the locks onto my individual braids. Okay guys, I'm halfway done my hair and I want to show you what it's looking like right now. So the curls are really showing their dominance throughout the hair. You can see the curls a lot, especially at the ends. They start covering up the locks, which I don't mind. Yeah, so far I think it looks really good. I like these curls. I've done goddess locks and styles like this before, but the curls haven't really looked like this in other hairs I had. And this hair is also longer. It's 18-inch. I previously did a 14-inch goddess lock style that was black like this, which was still cute, but the curls just weren't so much. Okay, so I want to show you an example of how I've been doing the style. So this is the lock I'll be using. I take the braid that I'm working on, which is this one. Then I open up the lock. Some of these locks have tighter pre-loops than others. I like the ones that are tight, but most of them are okay. You can always twist the lock to make it a little tighter. But I take the crochet hook and I insert it beneath the start of the braid. I hook on the lock, close the loop, and then pull it through like this. I don't pull it through all the way. It doesn't have to be all the way. Now I'm going to open the loop again and I'm going to pull the lock and braid through together like this. And I'm just careful not to, you know, pull the curls and tangle them up or whatever. So then I'm just going to pull the lock in the braid in opposite directions so that I get this tight knot right there. See that? Okay. And then I take the crochet hook again and I'm going to insert it a few inches from the start of the lock, and I'm going to make my way in the center of the lock. So just making my way up, and making my way up, and then I'm going to push it all the way through at the top of the lock. Then I'm going to hook on the braid towards the middle or end of the lock, and then of the braid, and just pull it through like this. And then I scrunch it up, twist it and pull it down, scrunch it up, twist it and pull it down. I just do that just to tighten it a little more. I think that helps to cover the braid more and, you know, tighten it, of course. So then I'm just gonna do that again to put the remaining part of the braid in the lock. And with this style, it's easier the smaller the braids are. Thicker braids are gonna give you more trouble and make it harder to hide the braid inside the lock. So just keep that in mind. I have about 70 braids in my head. So they're fairly small. They're not really too big. Okay, and now the braid is all the way in the lock and it looks nice and good and neat. So I'm finally finished my hair. I don't know how long it took because I took some breaks and I was doing other stuff, but I'm done and this is what it's looking like. So the hair looks really full. I thought that was gonna be a really good thing. Now I'm not sure. I mean, I think it's okay. It looks good. Just looks like a lot of hair. Also, these locks were a little harder to crochet this way than previous locks I did. I guess because the locks were so tight, it was just a little more difficult than usual. So it took me a little longer than usual as well. But it was still manageable. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. And I think the curls look really nice. I'm not sure how long the curls and everything will stay looking good. But I am wearing this hair to an amusement park in a couple of days. So I'll probably have this hair in for, what's today? For about a week. And I normally don't even keep my styles in that long. So I'm gonna update you guys and let you know how it held up in that week. And you know, I'm gonna be outside and my hair is gonna be breezing through the wind on all these roller coasters. So we'll see.
The video on the right is the hair after 1 week, and it still looks good. The hair didn't unravel. However, it is more matted and frizzy than before, as you can see right here. The hair also holds on to smells. It smelled like outside from when I came back from the amusement park, so I had to spray it daily with this hairspray I have to match the smell.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the hair, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.